क्या क्या कहा आपने मेरे बारे में?
मेरे अच्छा ओके
मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया। देखिए,
मैंने
एक
ये
बार
कहा
आपने कहा कि बैडमैन who makes you fall in love with,
Yeah,
बैडमैन
exactly.
who's made everybody proud by this film called
Absolutely.
Badman.
He knows how to scare girls. Seriously, I was like, okay, did I
काम है
say something
मेरा,
wrong?
काम है मेरा, इतने बरसों से कर रहा हूँ मैं.
And that you have
And
actually mastered the art, right?
obviously, of course, now the thing is, uh, for having been having been playing the bad man, the villain for such a long time, and now, of course, can you imagine a film in which the hero is somebody whose popularity is as a villain?
Villain. Exactly.
And then that film, people thought it was a small film because, a villain is the hero. Name of the film is, the iconic character played by the villain.
True.
Now today, that film is going to open the Moscow International Film Festival's Indian Panorama. I am extremely excited. The experience was frightening. मुझे लगा halfway through a picture छोड़ देनी चाहिए यार, because every scene I am being made fun of. Because as you see, when you see the film, the famous villain, after having been a baddie for so many years, decides to become a hero. Now, when he decides to become a hero, everything becomes crazy. वही कॉलीग जो सामने कहते हैं वाह वाह क्या बात, पीछे कहते हैं अभी इस उम्र में इसको हीरो बनने के चला है सर, अच्छे अच्छे हीरो नहीं चल रहे, इसको हीरो बनना है. एंड it's a mad crazy entertaining film in which a lot of many actors play themselves, directors play themselves. Film is set in studio settings, and things like that. Wow, very interesting. मजा आ गया. अच्छा. Also, this film Badman represents progressive Indian cinema. Progressive in every way. Progressive. There is no conventional hero in the film. There is a villain who plays the hero. It's progressive because everybody plays themselves and the relationships are real. Mahesh Bhatt Saab is not my younger brother. Mahesh Bhatt Saab is like my elder brother, somebody who is so respected and loved in the film industry. Manisha Koirala is my friend, but she is an actress. The relationships are same as people know through the media. In that, they have woven a beautifully entertaining story, human story, touching story. At times it makes you feel very emotional that what all an actor goes through. So this film Badman, as rightly said by some wise people, represents the progressive Indian cinema, and therefore this film is breaking boundaries. और जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये बोरिंग फिल्म भी नहीं है, हंस हंस के आप गिर पड़ोगे, मतलब मजा आ जाएगा. Of course, unfortunately, मजाक मेरा उड़ाया जाता.
Certain thing that you must have kept in mind when you were acting.
No, that
perhaps,
is that. वो certain चीज़ एक ही है कि that you have to be a very good actor. If you look at all the legendary villains of Indian screen, Pran Saab, Ajit Saab, Kanhaiya Lal ji, K.N. Singh ji, Jeevan Saab, Amrish Puri ji, Prem Chopra ji, Danny ji, so many of them, they were all wonderful actors. The great actors, and they were able to even very limited screen time पे, बहुत छोटे screen time में, बहुत predictable scenes के अंदर इतना शानदार काम कर जाते थे, इसलिए क्योंकि वो बहुत बढ़िया फिल्म आफ्टर फिल्म कर जाते थे, बहुत बढ़िया एक्टर हैं. तो एक बढ़िया एक्टर होना चाहिए आपको खलनायक बनने के लिए, ये मेरा मानना.
And also, if we see, sorry, you're saying something.
Yeah, please.
So, when we see, all these villains जिनका आपने नाम लिया, अमरीश पुरी जी हो गए, बहुत ऐसे दिग्गज कलाकार रहे हैं. जब वो डायलॉग्स बोलते थे, including you and your dialogues, I can't just come out of those dialogues that I went through today. So जो dialogues बोलते थे, you think वो भी missing है आज की फिल्मों में? Well, you don't get a chance to mouth such dialogues.
The such dialogues are not there because the films are far more real. Films are far more today's, and spoken language is is written, and which is good for the film because you can't go away from the rhythm of the film. So therefore it's important. Yes, but I feel that जैसे बहुत सारी चीज़ों को मिस करते हैं, उसी तरह से उस खलनायकी को मिस कर रहे हैं. और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जल्दी वो खलनायकी वापस आएगी फिल्मों में. उसका एक छोटा सा प्रयास था, फिल्म बहन होगी तेरी. अगर आप सिंसियर एक्टर हो, ट्रू एक्टर हो, तो आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसे पूरी श्रद्धा से करिए. इन द सेंस दैट इफ आई एम प्लेइंग a villain, I'm representing bad. I'm not being bad. To enhance, to further progress the story, and in the end, that will culminate into the bad losing and the good winning. So I don't see anything wrong in doing that properly. If the villain is effective, the hero looks more effective.